Hi, I'm gonna sing a song for my friend Michael Anthony Holman. And the song name is Michael. I remember when I met Michael Anthony Holman. He was such a great Marine. He was stationed at Kaneohe Bay in Honolulu, Hawaii. Michael, you were such a dream come true. But 10 years have passed since you have left us to go to heaven. I miss you, Michael, and I miss the talk we had. It was such a lovely thing we did. I miss your voice, Michael, your beautiful smile, oh Michael, your grin and your